how to act naturally on camera. This is a very big topic. I'm just going to pass you 2 or 3 tips in order to help you out in your journey, okay? All these tips revolve around one simple concept. The concept is be happy. Here we go. Number one, probably the toughest, be happy about your appearance, about your own setup. You need to be satisfied with how you look on camera, the light is okay, the setup is functional to what you want to convey. So you're not overly worrying about how you look. We're all very weak and susceptible about how ugly we look, and we think we're not good enough regardless of our camera exposure experience. This is a weak spot for most of us, so be happy about your looks. This is step number one. Step number two, be happy about the way you communicate. You need to find a way to speak about your topics that is not too slow, not too fast, just functional about what you're about to say. And you need to relax and train using your voice more and more at your own pace in order to convey the concepts without being overwhelmed yourself and, passing the message effectively. And that leads to step number three. Step number three, make sure you're really passionate about the message you're spreading around. Because after all, it will not be your looks, it will not be your voice, it will not be your success to carry you on, but it will be the motivation you have within you to spread the message, to spread, the contents that you're talking about. So the passion is the main condition to move things forward. I hope this helps. I created this video with some more information about this topic. You might want to watch it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.